I'm Michael Gallagher, the CEO of the Entertainment Software Association. Entertainment Software Association is the trade association that represents the video game industry headquartered here in Washington, D.C. The growth of broadband has paralleled the expansion of the growth of video games, and really they're intertwined. When you look at the expansion of video games, in 2000, when the PlayStation 2 first came out, it didn't even have the ability to connect to the internet built into the machine. A tremendously popular piece of consumer electronics. In 2002, when the Xbox came out, it had those connectors, but only had 5 games that were playable in a connected gameplay. The next year there were 50, and today virtually every video game has connectivity built into it, and it's designed to incorporate cooperative gameplay and including others across broadband networks so that it expands that marketplace, keeps the gameplay fresh and very exciting. As you see broadband expand, you've seen the industry expand. Last year, for example, was a record year for the video game industry despite the difficult economic times. In 2008, our industry became a $22 billion industry, and the software component of that, $11.7 billion, expanded 22.9% just last year alone. And in December, during the very depths of the economic challenge, our industry sold over $5 billion worth of software. And again, the broadband connectivity aspect is a key part of the value to the consumer, just as the very dynamic, high-end gameplay has expanded as well. I would say that the core of our value is in the dynamic creativity in the product. The artists, the engineers, software designers that make the great games are the ones that are really creating the value, but the broadband connectivity is what gives you the ability to do that across time, across space, and be much more inclusive of a broader audience, a broader market, and that's a catalyst for growth in the industry without a doubt. I think that Bruce and Larry do a great job here, and it's great to have this conversation about broadband policy and making sure that we're headed in the right direction, because we are all in this in many different ways together. Certainly from the entertainment perspective, it's an important catalyst, but there are a number of other key drivers that are important as well.